Welcome to Eternal Easy Education. In this session, you are going to learn Chapter 6, Word Processor. Content of this video is how to install OpenOffice. So from Chapter 6, 7, 8, all the three chapters are going to be covered with OpenOffice. Chapter 6 is OpenOffice Writer. Chapter 7 is OpenOffice Calc. And Chapter 8 is OpenOffice Impress. Just like our Word, Excel and PowerPoint, what you will use in Microsoft. But here the same thing is going to be used with the software of OpenOffice. As the term OpenOffice, it is an open source software. Now we will learn how to install this in your system. So go to Google. In the search engine, type OpenOffice, free download. Then you will get the link as openoffice.org. Click the link, official download. Then here you can see it's the website of OpenOffice, official website. So here you click download full installation. You will get this page. So here if you see, as I'm having antivirus, it is asking that it will harm your computer whether you want to keep or discard. Accept keep, that means select the option keep. So select the option keep. So it will keep downloading. Can you see this? The downloading taking place. It will take some minutes. Then I'm going to the folder where it is installed. Double click. The installation will start. So select next. Then you have to select the location where it has to be installed. Just a next button will take you to next steps. Then asking, you can keep on clicking the button. Now the installation is over, that is completed. So click the finish option or the button. So your shortcut is in front in the desktop. Open it. It asks for the first name, last name. You can give your own name. This is the first window of the OpenOffice. So this OpenOffice software is able to support text to document, that is like our Word, spreadsheet, like the Excel, presentation, then drawing, database, formula. There are many things, but only the three things is going to be covered in your syllabus. It will be very easy for you. So for this chapter 6, you have to select the option text to document. Select it, click, it will take the window to OpenOffice Writer. So this is the title bar, below that is the menu bar, so below that is the standard toolbar, and below that is a formatting toolbar. Here is a property window. If you don't want, you can close it. So this is the place where we are going to work. Can you see a black color line, vertical line blinking? This is said to be insertion point. That means we are going to start typing from that location. Then this is the scroll bar. You can move the window up and top, bottom, left, right. Two scroll bars are available. I'm just typing a word, and this is the border where you can resize your window. This place is called to be the work space where we are working, and this is the paper edge, and this is the line of margin. So these are all menus which are available in the window, that means the application OpenOffice Writer. So we can click, or else we can use this Alt key. So I have taken the standard toolbar out. If you want, means you can make it up, it will get into it. This is the formatting toolbar. Find window. If you don't want, means you can close it. So this is the application window of OpenOffice Writer, and this is the status bar. Status bar is at the bottom. Here page one by one. The document is having only one page and we are viewing the first page. Then insert key. This is very important, whether the insert key is on or off. See, I am typing here and the word is inserted in between the L and C. If we change this, that means if you click, it will change to over. That is type over. Now it will overwrite the word. It's very important. You must know this. It's a 2-mark, 3-mark question. Insert mode, type over mode. Here you have to change insert and type over. So think that the document is going to have many pages, and just pressing the enter key, it is taking to the other page. So totally this document is having 3 pages. Now we are seeing first page. This is displayed in the status bar. So this is the chapter 6, Introduction to Word Processor. So word processor is a computer software to create, edit, manipulate and transmit, store and retrieve a text document. It is an important question. What is word processor? Word processor is a computer software which is used to create or edit or manipulate, transmit, store and retrieve a text document. So the word processor can be MS Word, can be OpenOffice Writer, can be a notepad, can be a WordPad. The above set activities are called word processing. So there are 2 questions from this paragraph. What is a word processor or what is word processing? Word processing is an activity carried out by a computer with suitable software to create, edit, manipulate, transmit, store and retrieve text to document. There are many word processing softwares. So the available proprietary source as well as open source. Proprietary means a paid licensed software. Open source means we can download for free and even we are able to edit. The familiar word processing packages, they are given a list here. So this Microsoft, this is Microsoft Corporation Company. WPS Word is Kingsoft. These are all proprietary. That means we have to pay and purchase it. Here, that OpenOffice Writer, LibreOffice Writer, this will be with Ubuntu and EbiWord. These are all open source. That means we can use for free and we can download without any payment. Then word processor, OpenOffice Writer, Tamil Writer, Kamban, these are all for word processor exclusive for Tamil language. So Microsoft also provides full Tamil interface for all Office suites. So OpenOffice is the leading open source Office software suite for word processing, spreadsheets. So word processing, spreadsheets like our Excel sheet, and presentations and graphics, presentation graphics, database, and much more. You will have practicals in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So it will be very useful for you for applying what you have learned, for creating a letter or a resume for the person who needs, even for creating small calculation sheets and for giving your presentations. So you are hopefully learning a useful thing in 11th standard syllabuses, OpenOffice Writer, spreadsheet and presentation. So the chapter 6, 7, 8 are more useful and interesting too. Then OpenOffice is a protective office suite, and it is having Writer, Calc, Base, Impress, Draw. So you have seen these things in the first window of OpenOffice Writer, which you have seen before. So this is the first window. You know this very well. So we have double clicked it and we have seen the window also. So you know what does title bar, what is menu bar, what is toolbar, which is the insertion point, which is a ruler, and which is a scroll bar, and which is the control buttons, that is minimize, maximize, and close buttons. So title bar is used to display the top of the window, the name of the document. You know very well the word also, same thing. So this minimize, maximize, close button. Minimize to minimize the software in the taskbar, and maximize to keep the window maximized size, and close button is to close the document. And so if it is minimized, it will be like the minimized software in the taskbar. So you know this very well. So close button is to close the application. So menu bar is having many menus: file menu, edit, view, insert, format. So each menu is having its own usage. So standard toolbar and formatting toolbar. This toolbar is just below the menu bar. Yes, you have seen this. This is the standard toolbar, which is having the shortcut for many options in combined. And formatting toolbar is for formatting the text which is present in the particular document. And the ruler is to measure the margin size as well as the paper size. And the workspace is the place where we type the content. And there is a flashing vertical bar which is said to be the insertion pointer. Then the status bar. The status bar is the bottom of the window, which shows the current status of the document, the number of pages, current page, and default language. So you know these things. Then you learned how to type the text. Flashing vertical bar is called the insertion pointer, and this feature is having a word wrap. What is word wrap means? If we keep on typing from left to right, when it reaches the right margin, the line will come to the next, the word will come to the next line without pressing the enter key. That is called word wrap. So we no need to press enter key to form a next line. We can keep on typing, it will form the next line. If we press the enter key and form the next line means then it is said to be hard written. So which is done by the user. Then moving the document means moving the cursor left, right, up, down. These things you know very well. So now you have learned how to install and what are the components, main elements present in that particular window, OpenOffice Writer. That's all for this session. Thank you. Have a good day.